special aspect of the self. This is the non-physical, non-tangible aspect of the self, encompassing and person, inner world, and unique qualities. This can include qualities like your intelligence, personality, values, memories, and spiritual belief. The way you solve problems of your capacity for knowledge is the part of your aspect. The material self aspect refers to the tangible aspect of a person, including their body, clothing, family, and professions. The special aspect of the self is a less defined term, but you can understood as referring to the more unique and spiritual aspects of the self, such as the individual's personalities, beliefs, aspirations, and the emotional and intellectual qualities that go beyond the physical and material. Material self, the components is, the material self includes anything that a person consider their own form, their physical body to their family, and professions like their home, car, and clothing.